guys, we had we had like one request to do a makeup tutorial. We gotta read you guys. Oh my god, I wanted to show my Insta. Close your phone. Where, you know, this guy. Yeah, where, you know, it's a lot. I wanted to do like old Zen makeup, I think. It's like more matte, whatever. Okay, anyways. I'm with Nancy. We haven't seen each other in
1 week.
1 week. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. We each other in school, but like,
Yeah, we haven't hung out.
yeah.
Officially. This is Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral. I don't know what this is, honestly. Chloe gave this to me because it was too late for her, so I just used it.
I'm bald as hell, bro.
I bought one of those like balls covering like stockings. Yeah.
I need that.
Yeah. Okay. If it's good, I'll send you a link.
Yeah.
I just blend in my concealer at spots like these. I used to go in with like a green. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic whatever. Green concealer because it helps like spots whatever. Hi guys, I realized I forgot to do my sunscreen and my primer.
Jen, you stupid.
It's okay. I only put on concealer, so it's fine. It's fine. Usually, what I usually do is I go in with a liquid foundation. I'm not telling you guys the brand because because I'm gatekeeping for today. Basically, it's just a foundation, and then
It's just
it's just foundation, and then I go in with the primer. Usually, I mix it together. I'm gonna mix it in actually with my sunscreen, foundation, and primer, and then I usually use a makeup spatula. So yeah. Hi guys, this is my base.
it's glowy, but when you go outside, it's gonna be like cracked.
Yeah.
That's a sad reality of everything.
I'm just a girl. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a very old clearance palette. Like there's no writing at the bottom, but it's pretty fancy. Yeah, it's my mom's. Okay, I have like monolids and I low-key want to get double eyelids today, but I'm like lazy. I guess because for me personally, I feel like I look kind of weird with double eyelids, so they're pretty uneven to me. Yeah, Nancy's gonna have like so much hard time editing this.
I am.
It's okay. We're planning to go to Richmond and we're gonna eat.
You know the distance from Vancouver to Richmond is like kind of long, like kind of got a plan.
Okay, I'm doing my eyebrows. I need to remember to do this. So what I do is I put eyeshadow in the inner corners like this, and then yeah, and I kind of use like make it an eyeliner strip, and then I go in for it. I know Nancy does like she uses pink more than brown, but I like using brown. So
I use brown too.
I don't like putting pink over there because I feel like it makes me look like I'm crying, and that's not really like my point. I just put it there so it makes my eyes look a little bigger.
Slay, Jenny.
Asian problem style. Doing my eyebrows. I go in with the sort of lightish brown. I usually go in with like a darker brown, but I saw this tutorial from this girl on Xiaohongshu and she was like,
Xiaohongshu is my life savior.
Yeah, I love Xiaohongshu. I'm gonna go in and I'm just going in contour before anything. So I like to contour my nose over here too. A fat ass nose.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna dance and then this is the Into You highlight and contour palette. Nancy got this for me for my birthday, so
Yes, you're welcome. What?
I'm going with my blush. This is the Velvet Cheek Blush by Jillian. Jillian. Like I don't understand. Like no one is forcing you. No one is holding you. Oh my god, maybe I should just put these under. How do you even put these on? Okay, Oh wait, my thing fell off. Okay,
LOTD.
everything's from my closet.
I stole things from our closet.
Wait, let's sing Open Door.
Love's an open door.
Conversation, can't have one explanation. You and I, something to be.
Just meant to be.
Just meant to be. Ah, I look bad from an angle.
So much mirrors in here.
Yeah, my bad, guys. Kind of
She likes to stare at herself every day. Like every day she's gonna like go wake up and be like, oh, I look so pretty.
That's not true.
Okay, so actually
you should be our thumbnail.
yeah, we're just posting.
Sorry.
Oh, yesterday we made like a whole plan. But like
It's not going well.
Yeah, we're clearly not following because like we're running
We
behind.
look like twins. This is kind of killing me.
It's your glasses. She copied me. Look at your glasses. She called me my glasses. Like I literally need glasses. She does not need glasses.
I
bro.
actually do though.
She used okay thing, but like not those type of glasses.
Yeah.
Anyways, what's our plan?
But 12:30.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave at 12:30. But we're gonna go eat some.
Tangyan.
Yeah.
My dad.
What are
wants
those
us
called
to.
in English?
I don't know. Tangyan.
Just like
Tangyan.
balls.
They're
Ice balls?
yeah.
Yeah.
Today's 元宵节, so we're having Tangyan.
Yeah, and then afterwards we're gonna SkyTrain to Vancouver. It's a long
Yeah.
time. That's a long way away. And
Do you
then
think, is Richmond or Vancouver closer?
oh, this pole is blocking me. This pole is blocking our relationship. Hang on.
Split the pole. Sorry. That wasn't me, guys.
Eating.
I've been putting the wrong shoe for the test.
What is?
Oh my god. I was literally like, oh, like this feels so weird. Like, what is this? Oh my god. Thanks, Nancy.
Why is your feet not going in?
Bro, she said, my foot is not that bad. Okay. Give me one. So she's struggling trying to put my shoe on.
That strand is gonna be left out if I pull on these.
Oh, does it really matter?
Okay, whatever. We should put coquette balls on it.
Coquette bow. Bro, my mom was judging you based on your umbrella.
Stop. It's not my fault. It's my dad's umbrella. We finally made it out of the house and like it's one.
It took us a very long time.
It's been 2 hours.
We were supposed to leave at 12:30.
It's like 1 right now. 1:12 I think.
Yeah, we are not off on time. So we're changing our entire thing.
We're going to Metro, guys. Metro
You guys
again.
are probably so sick of us going to Metro. Different.
Okay.
He's just battling the wind. So we just got off the bus, right? And basically, this one guy at the thing we were sitting at, and at the bus stop, he was like fucking racist, and he was saying shit like, oh, arigato, and he was like saying Japanese to us. We didn't know what to do, so we were like, okay. Then, not even kidding, like fucking karma hit, because there was this other guy, he was like this full grown man, and he was saying to like him and this little buddy, he was like, you guys only speak in your language, so he literally got racist back. Anyways, that was kind of funny.
Go to here.
And I was like, are you? Hi guys, we just looked at a pair of pants. It was $315
Freaking 315.
for jeans. That's crazy.
So slow. What? That was a bad one. Oh my god.
We look so.
We back. Come on. I should stop. He's like moving in right now. Three bags.
He's trying to bring everything.
I would never thought that.
Rate it. Joy, does it look good? Does it look good?
Looks like mixing.
Does anyone mixing, Joy? Does it smell good? It's vanilla cake, so like,
Ooh, vanilla.
would you eat this?
Huh?
Would you eat this?
I don't know.
Joy, would you eat this?
Okay.
Would you eat it though?
I don't know.
Would you eat it for free?
Okay.
Why would I get no? I'm not gonna.
It's so cute. Oh.
No, they're so smart. Hi. Hi. Nancy's just gonna do my nails. I could be the better daughter.
It's been wait, can
3 hours.
turn on my clock. It's 9. It's 9:04 right now.
9:04. We have done nothing except doing these.
For one hand only.
Wait, guys, look at this cute little Miffy she drew on me. Fuck you.
Look at the nail difference. Wait, look at the nail.
Oh, mine sounds different. It's pointy. She likes me, bro. I swear. Hi, guys. So spoiled.
All of that. This is mine.
Hi, guys. It's like.
Don't look at my page. Wait, look at this cat. Look at this cat.
Yeah, and we're watching. She's watching cat videos on her. Hi guys. This is me, Nancy. I don't even know if you can see us.
My iPad. We're using my iPad to light the sun.
Okay. Restart. This is me. This is Nancy. She's right there. We.
What time is it? Hang on, let's see the time.
And this is our way of. Are you okay? Hi guys.
Okay. This is our fourth try. Stop!
We're trying to find like a light so we can show ourselves. Why am I the one having to show my face?
Hi guys, it is currently 12:26.
Look at my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like a whole nest up here. Look at my hair. it up or something like that.
Nance dropped her cereal on the ground. I'm doing that kick resume test. Damn. SNU. Oh yeah. There's one guy that went like really famous on TikTok because
On TikTok?
yeah, because after this because he was like cute, but he had a girlfriend.